Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tiramisu on your Wii U. This custom firmware unlocks many new possibilities for your console, letting you run homebrew applications and games. We'll cover everything from preparing your SD card to launching the custom firmware. It's a straightforward process that takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete, and you'll be enjoying new features in no time. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. First, you'll need an SD card, preferably 8 GB or larger, formatted to FAT32. Make sure your Wii U is connected to the internet, as we'll be using its browser. Next, download the Tiramisu installer files from a trusted source onto your computer. Finally, you'll need a computer with an SD card reader to transfer these files. Having these ready ensures a smooth installation. Now, let's dive into the installation. First, copy all the downloaded Tiramisu files directly to the root of your FAT32 formatted SD card. Once transferred, insert the SD card into your Wii U. Next, open the Wii U's internet browser and go to the specific exploit website. This will initiate the process. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions, which typically involve pressing a few buttons, to complete the custom firmware installation. It's quite intuitive. With Tiramisu installed, you're ready to explore. To launch it, simply open the Homebrew Launcher application from your Wii U menu. From there, you can access and install a wide array of homebrew applications and tools. For convenience, many users choose to install an auto boot solution, allowing Tiramisu to load automatically upon console startup. Remember, it's always a good practice to back up your console's NAND memory for future safety. Enjoy your enhanced Wii U experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.